Welcome to our Tech Channel Future Phone Flash, where today we're diving into the latest buzz around the upcoming iPhone 16. With a slew of leaks and speculations making rounds, let's dissect what could be in store for Apple enthusiasts. First up, a significant shake-up in the camera department. Recent leaks suggest the iPhone 16 might sport a vertical camera setup, a departure from its predecessors. This change could not only alter aesthetics, but potentially enhance photographic capabilities. Apple seems to be upping its game in user interaction with a rumored new capture button. This mechanical button, with touch and pressure sensitivity, aims to refine the photo and video capturing experience, signaling a leap towards more intuitive device control. Renowned analyst MING KUOS' predictions of no major design changes have been put to the test. The latest schematics hint at a fresh look for the iPhone 16, contradicting earlier speculations and suggesting that Apple might surprise us yet. While KUOS suggested larger screens for the iPhone 16 series, the new leaks propose potential design alterations. Could this mean a more significant upgrade is on the horizon? Only time will tell. Moving on to performance enhancements, Apple is rumoured to be exploring graphene for cooling. This innovative approach could address overheating issues, marking a significant improvement over the current models. A deeper dive into the capture button reveals its ability to detect different pressure levels, mimicking a two-stage camera shutter. This feature could be a game-changer for photography enthusiasts. The iPhone 16's design leaks suggest a blend of elements from the iPhone X, 11 and 12 models. This homage to its predecessors raises questions about Apple's direction in design innovation. With all these leaks and rumours, the tech community is buzzing with anticipation. How will these speculated features affect the iPhone 16's market reception, and will they rekindle consumer interest? As we edge closer to the official unveiling, the speculation surrounding the iPhone 16 continues to build. Whether these leaks will hold true remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure: the iPhone 16 is shaping up to be one of the most talked about devices of the year. What do you think about these rumoured features? Are you excited about the iPhone 16, or are there other innovations you're hoping to see? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Future Phone Flash, for more tech news updates.